So here's how to change Facebook page password. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, you will need to log into your Facebook account. Now here you have to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, then click on the settings, then click on the meta menu, and after that it will open this interface. Here you have to click on the passwords and security option, and after that click on the change password option at the top. Once you click on it, now it will open this menu. From here you have to select the profile of which you want to change the password, and after that here you have to enter your current password and enter your new password as well. Then click on the change password option at the bottom, and after that your password will be changed. In Facebook, you don't have a separate option to change password for your Facebook page. To ensure the security of your Facebook page, you have to change the password of your Facebook profile. Once you change the Facebook password, now it's automatically changed the password for your page as well. So that's how to change Facebook page password.